What's up guys? So, we know that Huawei always come with some of the unique camera features. The Huawei P30 Pro was the first phone to have a 50x zooming capabilities, then the Huawei P40 series came, and it basically continued the legacy. And now, it seems the next P series smartphone, most probably the Huawei P50 family, will do the insane. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, according to Rodent, who is a well-known leakster on Twitter, posted that the camera samples of the upcoming Huawei P50 series, and believe me, it sports a 200x zoom, which is like incredible, because, if it's true, also, it would make the device in question the most zoom-capable smartphone yet, with the closest contender being the Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra, but still the Mi 11 Ultra sports 120x zoom. Anyway, here are the images. The images themselves are well suspected. Like, the overall quality is, you can say, really bad, because the 1x photo doesn't at all look like an image shot on a premium device main camera. However, we can just assume that the leakster made images looks blurry himself. Anyway, here is a 50x zoom photo, then 100x 150x, and finally the 200x zoom. And honestly, it can be true because the Huawei's P series of smartphones always focus on the photography of the smartphone, and the zooming capabilities are always the key feature of the P family, so it is true. By the way, the Galaxy S22 Ultra in the news for quite some time now, and for good reasons, but we can't say the same for its smaller siblings, the S22 and S22 Plus. These two handsets didn't make many headlines, but when they did a few days ago, it was due to Samsung deciding to use a plastic back on the Plus variant to next year. So today, the S22 and Plus are in the news again, and thankfully this time for good reasons. You see, the S21 and S21 Plus use basically the same camera hardware as their predecessors in the S20 lineup, and neither of those variants had a dedicated telephoto camera, and Samsung decided to use a 64-megapixel camera and cropped it to get a 3x hybrid zoom. And also they offered really good image quality. A dedicated telephoto camera is always better. Honestly, this will not repeat for the S22 generation, as Samsung will change its philosophy for next year models, and included a proper 12MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Not only that, the phones will see a big upgrade in the main camera department. Both the S22 and Plus could have a 50-megapixel main sensor. It's the same one we saw on Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra, the Gen2 sensor made by Samsung, that offers some amazing photo and video quality, even rivaling the S21 Ultra's 108-megapixel camera. Moreover, the time the S22 series is announced, Samsung may have introduced the third-generation GN sensor, and I think it's the right move as it's one of the biggest sensors around, that also has a larger pixel size. Plus, it can also offer brighter 4K videos in low lighting conditions, and 8K videos as well. The ultra-wide camera though will remain the same at 12 megapixel. Anyway, with it said, Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch Active 4 at the Mobile World Congress on June 28th. And we have our very first look at the Galaxy Watch Active 4 from Unleaks, which shows an edge-to-edge display, and two buttons on the right-hand side. A rubberized strap is being used here, with a slightly refined band fastener mechanism, which looks really good. Also, there's no rotating bezel here, but you can get it on the Watch 4. Both watches will have a 5nm processor, and will use the new Tizen Wear OS that has been touted since I/O 2021. It claimed the new joint effort will mean better battery life and load times, and you can also get to use millions of Wear OS apps on your Galaxy Watch. Also, the Active 4 will be offered in two sizes, 42 and 44mm, with no info on the sizes of Watch 4. And finally, the Active 4 will be offered in these 4 color variants. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pack it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm up?